Number 11. Scaling your business, strategies for growing and scaling your online business as it becomes more successful. Welcome to this video on scaling your business. As your online business becomes more successful, you may want to grow and expand it further. Here are some strategies for scaling your business effectively. First, focus on your core strengths and niche to maintain a competitive edge. Expand your product or service offerings gradually and based on customer demand. Second, invest in marketing and advertising to reach a wider audience and increase your revenue streams. Lastly, consider partnerships or collaborations with other businesses to expand your reach and customer base and leverage their expertise and resources. Remember to continually analyze your business metrics and adjust your strategies as necessary to ensure sustainable growth. Thank you for watching this video on scaling your business. We hope these strategies will help you achieve your business goals and take your online business to the next level.